What has enabled Baoyu to develop to where it is today? From the first sewing machine in 1999, from the first step towards the international market in 2006, from a workshop factory to a national high-tech enterprise. A journey that began with one machine and now includes more than 100 products across all industrial sewing processes. Baoyu aims to be a leading global supplier of industrial sewing solutions. Today, we are even more determined to grow into a leading brand in the industry, to drive the development of the world's sewing equipment, to create the world's leading intelligent sewing solutions. Baoyu focuses on improving efficiency and reducing the threshold for operations, developing ultra-high-speed, multifunctional intelligent sewing equipment. We hold a number of key patents, consistently refine our technologies, and are dedicated to innovation. We continue to introduce advanced processing equipment, enhance manufacturing precision, meet the constantly increasing quality needs, and own the market with high-quality products. We have established a comprehensive quality inspection system, resolutely solidifying the foundation of our product quality. From a single factory to a global brand, Baoyu continues to grow and expand, filling more gaps in the industry. By engaging in collaborative development and intensifying innovation, we are making sewing technology increasingly more sophisticated, democratizing access to advanced technology, and fulfilling the industry's demand for enhanced productivity. We are loyal to the sewing profession, inheriting the spirit of craftsmanship and sharing prosperity with the industry. We are born to gain wisdom with reverence for technology, always striving for endless progress.